Do your team members really know what a blocker is? How many times have you done a stand-up meeting with your team only to, a few minutes after the meeting, have one of your team members come to you and say, hey, I've got a problem with X. The trick to having a good stand-up meeting is to surface any issues that are stopping forward progress from members of your team. You can do this with Stand-Up Alice by asking the question, do you have any blockers? You might need to coach your team members of how to populate that field, how to put the issues that are stopping them from moving forward so that they can get properly addressed inside your daily stand-up meeting. If you're having trouble with your daily stand-up meeting, specifically with team members identifying blockers, here's a few tips for you. A blocker is anything that's stopping that team member from delivering the task today. Examples of blockers could be waiting for some input from somebody else in the organization. A blocker could be stuck with a problem that they're not sure how to solve. A blocker could be not enough time due to competing responsibilities. A blocker could be not enough time due to competing priorities. If you want your team to get better at identifying blockers every day and getting things moving through your development pipeline, you should be using Stand-Up Alice.